Got a 2019 Dodge Durango in here. It came in for P0128 code, thermostat regulation, below temp code. Found that the engine coolant temp would stay below, what do they call that? Normal operating temperatures. I found that the thermostat was staying stuck open. So I checked to see if there is, any coolant leaks or anything. Found that the radiator was leaking at the seam. Customer bought the radiator and thermostat. We'll go ahead and replace that.
I'm pretty sure this is the Gene.
Dang! Gene like that. Tell him that's he next.
It's real.
Tell Gene he next.
It's real.
Gene he next. Alright, I finished up. Upper and lower hoses are hot. Fans came on. Sprayed it down with some water to clean off all that coolant. About to take it for a test drive. Inside we got hot heat. It's not going in and out, solid hot heat. I think we're good to go.